Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at optionalpha.com, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, should we trade ETFs or stocks or both? So people always ask me questions like, is it more profitable to trade stocks or ETFs? What if I only want to focus on ETFs? Or what if I only want to focus on stocks? Or is there some perfect balance of trading both? Now, the answer is that ultimately we don't care what we trade as long as we are smart about the setup, i.e. that we know if we're trading a stock, that we know earnings is either on the horizon, if there's low implied volatility, or if there's some news. When scaling up, however, we prefer to scale up with ETFs versus stocks because of the systematic move in the underlying. And what I mean by this is that when you scale up with ETFs, you generally are going to get compensated a little bit less because ETFs are a little bit less volatile than stocks on average. So your per trade premium is going to be a little bit less for ETFs, but they have pretty decent liquidity so that you can scale up, and you're not going to have those big systematic moves in an ETF like you would a stock. So for example, earnings or a company news announcement, a drug approval from the FDA, or whatever it does, you're not going to have those types of movements in ETFs as you will with stocks. Not that they won't happen, they just maybe not happen as frequent or as large in magnitude. Now, ultimately, either one that you trade could be profitable. Again, it's all about the setup. It's all about getting great pricing, good liquidity, etc. When we look at our performance page, which you can obviously check out anywhere on Option Alpha, there's links to our performance page. You can see our distribution of ETFs versus stocks. We do track them. We do have a pretty good distribution of, trading a pretty balanced amount of, stocks and ETFs, though we are more heavily weighted towards ETFs in general because they just offer a better vehicle for us to scale up. Okay, so again, there's ultimately no perfect answer. I'm just telling you how I feel about it. As far as trading ETFs and stocks, we do prefer obviously stocks around the earnings event. So we do more of those in frequency, but they're shorter duration trades, meaning they only last a day or two. But we do end up doing a lot of stocks during around their earnings events. Core positions, however, mostly end up being in the ETFs and like securities. So hopefully this helps answer some of your questions. If you have more questions, please check out the rest of the videos inside of this knowledge base, search the website, or check out our FAQ Answer Vault section. And of course,